Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2017 Nissan X-Trail stopped on the 6814. This ran from the 2nd 2014 to the 7th 2022. Here's a QR25DE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a CVT automatic transmission. This is a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear door, right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lip, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,